Welcome to 3R Rocks. Today I am going to show you an easy science experiment that we can do at home. In order to present this experiment, I need a knife, a metallic knife, the key material which is the magnet, and 2 coins, a staple clips, and the paper clips I need. Okay, I'm going to show this experiment. Okay, I'm going to take this knife and strike this magnet with this knife like this. Okay, I'm going to bring paper clips. Okay, this paper clips attract to this knife. It will get magnetized. Okay, in order to demagnetize this, I'm going to strike it in another way. Look, get demagnetized. Okay, with this paper clip, it's done, and I'm going to show you with this coin. I'm going to strike it in this way. Look, okay, coin get magnetized. Look, 2 coins get magnetized. Okay, and put this, it will get demagnetized. I'm going to magnetize. I'm going to strike this in another way. Look, it's demagnetized. Okay, I'm going to show it with you. Staples. I'm going to strike to get magnetized. Okay, I'm going to put off. I'm going to strike it the other way and get demagnetized. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe our channel.